go by the name James Mosenfoma, and we are a group presenting on the topic project management. Now, the outline is as follows. We have the definition of project management, the methods of project management, the uses of project management, the advantages and disadvantages, and the importance of project management. Now, the definition of project management it's with respect to operations management, and we define a project as a unique but temporary endeavor undertaken with the aim of the innovation of a specific product, service, object, or to achieve a result. Now, project management as a whole is the application of knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques in the execution of a project to meet specific goals or achieve a result within certain constraints. With the project management, we say it's the process of planning, organizing, and overseeing a project to achieve its goals. Overseeing a project to ensure that it achieves its goals. And we say it includes coordinating resources, bringing resources together, managing risks, and ensuring that the tasks are completed efficiently. Now, aspects of project management includes defining the project. Now, defining the project, we say this is where you identify what you want to do and make plans or make advances towards it. Define what the project scope is about, its objectives, and everything, the purpose, everything about a project. And now, the second step would be to plan. This is where you develop alternatives, a roadmap, or to set deadlines and discuss how the objectives will be achieved. And then the next part will be to execute the plan. And on the executing plan, we say this is where you carry out the tasks or what has been planned, the objectives that have been identified, what has been planned. This is where you ensure that it comes to play. And this is where you also ensure that work goes according to plan. And now you monitor and control, and this is where you see to it that the plans are exactly how it should be, and as well make necessary adjustments if any mistakes have been identified. Now, the methods of project management includes the Six Sigma, critical chain project management, waterfall methodology, agile methodology, then the lean methodology. So I'll talk about the Six Sigma. Now, say that Six Sigma is a type of project management that focuses on improving the quality of a project or removing defects in processes. Example is the DMAIC, which is the define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. And then the DMADV, which is the define, measure, analyze, design, and the verify. My colleagues will talk about the rest of the methods of project management.
So my name is Farouk Aye, and I'll be taking you through the methods of project management. So I'll be continuing from the critical chain project management, which is CCPM. And this method focuses on the resource needed to be able to execute a defined goal, considering the resource constraint. And a critical example is the buffer approach, where the deliberately reserve of time, inventory, or capacity are intentionally built into a system to absorb unexpected fluctuation or distractions. Then the next one, we'll go to the waterfall methodology. So it is a traditional project management approach where process that proceeds through specific phases to successfully complete it before moving on to the next phase sequentially. And a typical example is the construction of buildings. You see, when we are constructing a building, the foundation, you need to fill, let's say, the foundation with concrete and wait for it to be very, very thick, like very, very solid, before you start building maybe the first floor and the second floor. So that is an example of the waterfall methodology. Then we have the agile methodology. It is a method created to provide a framework for responding to changes. It was developed in 2001. It does not necessarily follow a sequential and linear process. It uses short bursts called sprints, And an example is a software developing team building a new mobile phone. Then the next methodology we'll be looking at is the lean methodology. This is a type of methodology that focuses on maximizing the customer's value while minimizing waste. And a critical example is where there is confirmation from the customer on a product and the just-in-time method. So we have other methodologies which include the Kanban methodology, the extreme programming, which is the SP methodology. We have the adaptive project frame, APF methodology. Then we have the Prince2 methodology, and we have the hybrid methodology. So I'll leave here for my friends to come and continue with the importance.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, I go by the name Cyrus Wallace Kumsin, and I'm here to introduce the uses of project management. Now we have project development, event planning, IT software project, marketing campaigns, research and development. We have email research initiatives, we have financial project and supply chain management. Now I'm here to take you through the explanations of each and every uses. So we have product development. The project work is used to design, develop and launch new products or services. This involves managing tasks such as market research, prototyping and manufacturing. Then we go to the second one, which is the event planning. Now, project work is used to plan and execute events like conferences, weddings, festivals, and this also involves the managing tasks such as the venue selection, the catering, the donations and logistics. Now the third one is IT software development. Now the project work is used to develop and implement new software systems, hardware infrastructure or IT services. This involves managing tasks and coding, testing and development. Marketing campaigns, which is the next part. Project work is used to plan, execute marketing campaigns to promote products, services or brands. This involves managing tasks such as market research, advertising and social media. Then we go to the fifth one. It talks about research and development. Project work is used to conduct research and development activities to create new knowledge, product or services. This involves managing tasks such as literature reviews, experimentation, data analysis and reporting. Then we go to the sixth one. The resource initiatives. Project work is used to implement HR initiatives such as recruitment, training, employee management, or benefits administration. This involves managing tasks such as needs assessment, program design and evaluation. The seventh one talks about the supply chain management. Now, project work is used to manage and improve supply chain operations, including procurement, logistics, inventory management, and distribution. This involves managing tasks such as supplier selection, contract negotiation, and transportation planning. The final one, which is the financial project. The project work is used to manage financial initiatives such as budgeting, forecasting, financial reporting, or investment analysis. This involves managing tasks such as data collection, financial modeling, and risk assessment.
At this juncture, I'll be continuing with the advantages and disadvantages of project management. I am still in the person of Farouk Ayi, and on the advantages of project management, we have a list here, but it's not exhaustive though. So under the advantages, we have improved efficiency and productivity. Then second, we have enhanced communication and collaboration. Third, we have better risk management. Fourth, we have effective resources allocation. Then the sixth, we have the clear objectives and goals. Seventh, we have increased customer satisfaction. Eighth, we have better tracking and reporting. And last but not least, we have encourages continuous improvement. As stated earlier, this is just a few and the list is not exhaustive. So continue with the disadvantages of project management. I think the first idea that will come to your mind when we talk about disadvantages is the cost, and that one is a very, very vital point. The first one is very, very costly. So that's the first disadvantages of project management. Then the second one will be requires more time and energy and also resources. And the resources might be either the capital resource or the natural resource or the human resource, which is labor. Then we have complexity, which is very, very complex to deal with them. Then we have resistance to change, where maybe people find it very hard to adapt to those kind of situations. Then the next point will be risks of scope creep. Then the next point will be the potential for conflict. And that's it. And my colleague will continue with the importance of project management and also give you a conclusion of all what we talked about.
So this is Janice, and I'll be taking you through the importance of project management. Now, the first type, we have cost minimization. Now, I think that project management helps to minimize costs in the sense that it helps to manage resources, or it helps in budgeting to ensure that unnecessary costs are avoided. And since project management seeks to factor everything to ensure that things go according to plan, it factors all expenses and helps to ensure that money is not spent unnecessarily by defining the purpose for which the money is going to be spent, structuring an effective budget to ensure that everything will be covered for to avoid wastages. Now, the second point is customer satisfaction. Now, project management helps to ensure that projects are delivered on time and within budget. And it also ensures that projects are done according to the customer specification. This leads to customer satisfaction. And now the next point is utilization of resources. Now, effective project management ensures that time and human resources are used effectively or are utilized to prevent waste and to also enhance or improve productivity. Since project management seeks to ensure that everything is factored, it helps to ensure that human resources are well utilized, materials or financial resources that are going to be used are utilized, since it plans for and budgets everything and ensures that everything is under control. And now the next one is risk management. Now we say project management helps identify potential risks early, allowing for better measures to be put in place to ensure that the execution of a project is satisfying. And then we have response to change. We also have clear objectives or goals, where we say a well-managed project has clear defined goals, making it easier for teams to stay aligned and work towards a common purpose. The next point is continuous improvement. Project management encourages learning from past experiences, leading to improved processes, as it helps to track or identify mistakes that have been made earlier on, so as to make adjustments and ensure that things are done well this time. And then we have seeking information from outside the organization. Now, we say project management allows for the gathering of insights from external sources for enhanced decision making. This includes taking ideas or insights from different parts, maybe different projects or different people, which will be incorporated into decision making for an improvement of experiences that may have gone badly. So all in all, we talked about project management. We spoke about the definition. We gave the methods of project management, which included the Six Sigma, the critical chain project management, the waterfall methodology, the agile methodology, the lean method, and then we move to the other methodologies which my colleague spoke about. We also talked about the uses of project management, where we said it helps in product development, events planning, IT and software management, marketing campaigns, human resource initiatives, then the supply chain management. We also talked about the advantages of project management, the disadvantages of project management, and then finally the importance of project management. So we come to the end of our presentation. So don't forget to like, share, and comment, so we know what to work on, areas for improvement, and maybe any other thing. Thank you.